Welcome back to the Winterfam channel, and in June we're wondering what on earth has happened to the weather. It's crazy.
Raining. Our road flooded.
This month we've come down to the seaside, as you can see, but it's not quite the glorious British summertime that we've been hoping for. So this month we're going to look into what happens with the weather in the summer and why sometimes it just isn't summer.
Hello, good evening, and I am Winterfam Will, and we've got breaking news. And today, it's, as you know, it's summer if you're watching this live. But yeah, as you can see, we're in the positive phase, which means we get wet.
Does that mean the difference between L and H, low and high pressure, is high?
Yes.
Weatherman Will?
Yeah,
Oh, what about the negative phase, which we've not got right now?
yeah. In the negative phase, we are very, very dry, and it's nice. Yeah,
Yeah, but that's not this year because it
No.
feels like
winter. Bye! Dad, you ruined that one. Cares about the differences in air pressure when the weather's like this.
And in the cold sea, go for it, buddy. I didn't think you were going to do that. You weren't supposed to do that. You were supposed to just paddle. Now you've got to get in the car butt naked.
We look like right crazy people.
Winter Will now for an instructional video on the science of stone skimming.
Okay, so, yeah. A decently flat stone. Decent. Okay, so, what you want to do, get down low.
How low?
This low. No, just crouching.
How low can you go?
This low. Anyway, so you have to get really low, and you have to throw the rock like that. Like this.
At an angle.
Yeah, so,
Good job, that was nice.
so then I need to find
Find another flatty.
one. This looks flat, yeah. And it skims because when it goes, it creates air there, and it skims off the edge of the air and then does it again.
Is that theory?
No, it is not. Go to Mark Rober's YouTube channel and tell you. Bye!
Of course, in the June chapter of Science of Santa Claus, there's a big battle on the beach between Tom Bing and his 7 Santas and Enzo. And we've recreated that for you today. Check it out. As Oliver reached for his bucket, something red caught his eye. It wasn't a lifeguard's flag. The beach didn't have one of those. No, this was a cluster of red triangles in the distance at the other end of the beach. And it was moving. He squinted, shielding his eyes, trying to get a better look. He got to his feet. Mum followed his gaze. What is it, Oliver? 7 men dressed as Santa Claus were walking up the beach. They were in full festive regalia. The 7 Santas were about 200 metres away now. Oliver felt the need to run and tell his family to follow, because something about this just didn't feel right.
As the sun finally tries to make an appearance here in British summertime, we say goodbye on the channel for this month and leave the last word to Winterwheel in the sea. Don't drink seawater, kids. See you next time. Bye.